English animal phrases. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today's lesson is about animals. Simple but powerful phrases you can use to describe what animals do in real life. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story. Sam's day on the farm. It's a bright Sunday morning. Sam visits his uncle's farm in the countryside. When he walks through the gate, he hears a loud sound. A dog is barking. Sam laughs and pets the dog. Next, he sees the family cat under a tree. The cat is sleeping as always, he says. Sam walks to the garden and looks up. Wow, a bird can fly so high. The bird circles above him. He goes to the pond and says, I see fish in the pond, they are so colorful. In the next field, he sees a big animal eating grass. A cow gives milk, Sam says proudly, remembering his science class. He hears fast footsteps. Look, the horse runs fast. The horse gallops across the field. Nearby, Sam sees another animal. A pig is eating again, he laughs. He then sees a group of sheep. Sheep eat grass just like they always do. At the small lake, he sees a duck moving smoothly. A duck swims so nicely, Sam whispers. Finally, he reaches the chicken coop. He points and says, a chicken lays eggs every day. Sam spends the whole day on the farm feeling happy, peaceful, and full of energy. Now it's time for the Q&A mini-story, Sam's day on the farm. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. Sam visits a farm. Where does Sam go? To a farm. Whose farm is it? His uncle's farm. What day is it? Sunday. A dog is barking. What animal is barking? A dog. Does Sam pet the dog? Yes. Is the dog sleeping? No, barking. The cat is sleeping. What is the cat doing? Sleeping. Where is the cat? Under a tree. Does Sam wake the cat up? No, a bird can fly. What animal can fly? A bird. Is the bird flying high or low? High. Does Sam see it? Yes. Sam sees fish in the pond. What does he see in the pond? Fish. Are the fish colorful or boring? Colorful. Where are they? In the pond, a cow gives milk. What does the cow give? Milk. Is the cow sleeping? No. What is the cow doing? Eating grass. The horse runs fast. What animal runs fast? The horse. Is it slow? No. What does it do? It runs fast. A pig is eating. What is the pig doing? Eating. Does Sam laugh? Yes. Why? Because the pig eats again. Sheep eat grass. What do sheep eat? Grass. Are they eating meat? No. What animal eats grass? Sheep. A duck swims. What does the duck do? Swims. Where does it swim? In the lake. Does Sam like watching it? Yes. A chicken lays eggs. What does the chicken lay? Eggs. How often? Every day. What animal lays eggs? A chicken. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about animals, dongvat. Today, you practiced phrases like, a dog is barking, the cat is sleeping, a bird can fly, a cow gives milk, a pig is eating, sheep eat grass, a duck swims, and a chicken lays eggs. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.